Hey Faye family.
How are you guys doing?
Well, we are doing great.
And we hope you are doing great as well.
Welcome to another vlog.
So that day we had International Scientific Conference.
So without further ado, let's just show you what we have experienced that day. रशियन हमें इतनी आती नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हमने समझने की कोशिश की और हमने ये समझा कि ये 5th ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स और इन्हें डिप्लोमा मिल रहा था। गुड नो।
As you see in this diagram, the ascending aorta directly arises from the heart, from the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle there is.
Then we had coffee break and they provided us with some good food.
थोड़े दिन में हमारी भी ऐसी कंकालें लटकेंगी पढ़ते पढ़ते। अभी ब्रेक चल रहा है लेकिन हम अंदर आ गए।
Functional anatomy and pathology of cardiovascular system. Myself, Priyanka Chitterwal. Let me start. What is systemic circulation? Systemic circulation means it supplies oxygenated blood to the all body tissue.
In meningeal area and the bone of the skulls. So the after the superior sagittal and the inferior sagittal.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muskan Chaudhary and we are from Kazakh Russian Medical University. We are student of 2nd year.
Myself Hina Chaudhary. So first we will start from the system of inferior vena cava and the portal veins, the veins of the lower extremities and anastomosis. Next slide. Walls, and it is just in the right side of the abdominal aorta and it is just beneath of the abdominal walls. So it carries the venous blood from the lower extremities and the ectopelvic regions of the heart. Next slide. And the further blood transport takes place towards the liver to the posterior side of the liver, which has the groove present, and then it goes into the right artery.
Considered organs of the body are supplied by the portal vein. So there are tributaries of the portal veins, which is superior mesenteric and the splenic vein, and there are splenic vein are the main tributaries, and they drain blood from the stomach, intestine, pancreas. So this is the diagram of the portal veins. So they take blood from the pancreas, and they supply the blood to the liver. For the clarification, usually supplied by two sources. So the sources are the hepatic artery and the portal veins. So the portal vein is usually supplies 75% of the total hepatic blood. The oxygen saturation in the fasting state of the portal vein is 85%, and the wall of the portal vein are usually distinct. They are usually recognizable because the walls have and fibrous tissues. The deoxygenated blood is carried out by the portal veins and
Now I will continue on the veins of the lower limb. First of all, I want to explain about what are the veins. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood. The veins also have valves by which there will be no backflow of the veins of the lower limb, which are superficial veins and deep veins. There are also perforating veins, which means connection of superficial vein and deep vein. First of all, I will explain about what is superficial veins. So superficial veins are external iliac vein, femoral vein, which is here, and popliteal vein, which is present at the diamond-shaped popliteal fossa on the posterior side, and fibular vein across the fibular bone, and there are posterior tibial vein. And as I have said about the perforating veins, which means communication. So there will be communication between the veins. So
Токсикация белгілері кардиальды симптомдардан науқас аз тағайындаймыз. Ол ұзақтығы бізде ешқандай нәтиже берген жоқ. Немесе абсцесс болып кетті, науқаста асқынулар болып кеткен жағдайда біз
Like what's the systemic circulation exactly? What's the anatomy of it? So my major topic is vein. So here's the structure of a vein, as you can see here. So just imagine vein is a cylinder-like structure. It's just like my hand is like in piston shape. Imagine this is vein. Blood is flowing in this vein. There are 3 layers, as you can see. Inner layer, which is tunica integra.
Guys, that's all for today's video. We got these. नहीं किधर से? चलो. That's all for this video.
We really hope you found this video helpful.
If you did, please put a like, share, comment.
Whatever you find convenient to you.
See you the next time.